Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Thursday, December the 29th, 2011. We're looking at the overnight profiles. We like to examine them um, to get a better handle on what we think the market's condition is. So at eminidaytrader, we always start with a look at a bit of a longer time frame perspective, the intraday auction bias, if there is one, up or down or sideways. This was the profile from yesterday. This is the one from overnight, and then this is the one from today. So what I'd mentioned yesterday at the end of the trading session was that a big down day like yesterday, you really do expect to see some follow through. If these are good sellers, they should be able to continue that market lower. We had around 51 as a resistance. You can see that the market hit almost to the tick. It hit 50.75 overnight, opened a little bit below that in the regular trading hours, but then quickly moved above it. So our idea or theory that if there was no follow through, then watch out for 51, and if it holds above 51, the market could easily get to 55 and then perhaps 61. So it ended up at I think 58.50 was the high today, and so that unfolded rather nicely. So we now think that there's good support in around the still the 55 and then the 51 area, and that's really what we're going to be looking at as far as trying to get once again a good sense of who's really in charge. So you can see here these are the market profiles for the day session only, the past 6 trading sessions. So you can see today, which of course is the one on the far right here, it was a fairly quiet day compared to yesterday. But the lack of follow-through, like I said, I think is bullish, and we're likely to go up, at least test that 61 area, then maybe 64, then we've kind of got room to move up into the 70s. So that's really how we're looking at it right now. There's no real news tomorrow. Tomorrow will be more than likely a very light trading day, heading into the long weekend with the New Year's holiday, no trading next Monday. So likely very, very light and slow day tomorrow. And I suspect, kind of like last Friday, with a bit of an upward slow grind is what I am expecting. So we'll just see what happens here and see if some of these levels can hold. And as far as our trades were concerned today, we take a look at our 1-minute chart here. We did have quite a few trades today, which was nice considering that, at this time of year you don't really expect it. We did have a short trade here that was against our grain, no filter working with us, so no trade there. We had a long trade here that you can see was filled on this pullback, so we were able to get long on that, and it did have a nice rally up. We did not take this a short trade here. We held on to our long because obviously we're intraday up still, and we do have the green filter going for us as well. So that turned out to be a very nice trade, and we're able to reach our first 2 objectives, and 2.5 points on the final, so a total of 5.5 points on that particular trade. We had these other short trades, as you can see here. By the way, this short trade was not taken either because we were still in the long trade. Did not take this short one, still with the green directional buys. We tried to get long in here. It didn't quite dip for us, so we did not take that trade. So we only ended up with the one trade, which was this fill right in here off of this signal to be able to participate in that nice up move there. So that's it for today and some of the levels that we're looking at heading into tomorrow. And so that's really it for today. As a matter of fact, that's it for the week and for the year. So all of you that have watched these videos, however many you've watched over this year, I appreciate you watching them. I hope that you've been able to get something out of them, whatever that might be. And I wish all of you all the best in the new year, wealth and prosperity, happiness, all that good stuff. And also, not to mention, or not to forget, I should say, good trading to you as well. So that'll be it, signing off for this year, and have a great long weekend, and we will see you again next Tuesday in 2012.